Hello friends, I am glad that I am taking you to AK7DOLL with whom we are going to have a conversational session.
Hi.
Welcome to viewers.
Hey guys, it's a girl AK7DOLL TV and today we are doing another collaboration video.
Okay, Doll, are you ready?
Of course I'm ready.
Okay, I am going to ask you some questions which may kindle your thoughts. Okay.
Oh yeah, okay.
Right. How does the mirror impact you? That means when you enter a room, you happen to see a mirror from a distance. What do you think about it then?
What I think about myself looking at a mirror.
Not into the mirror. You are just looking at a mirror. What will you think in your mind?
I have nothing in my mind. I'm just like, from my experience, that's how I feel.
A mirror is a great invention.
Yes, a great invention, but I have one thing to tell you.
Tell me.
You can only buy used mirrors. Why? Because people look into the mirror. That means it's already used.
Okay, fine. It's very difficult for me to understand that. Okay, can you play this game, that is stand in front of a mirror and look at your own image, right? Then think that is a different person. Speak to him or her.
My brain just refuses to actually play that game. My brain is just like, be quiet, that is yourself. Don't you try to think of yourself as somebody else because you're never gonna be that person.
Very great. But actually what we have in our training, advanced English training, is we ask the candidate to stand in front of the mirror, ask him to interact with the image day. So that is one of the sessions of training. Okay, it's alright. When you grow up, you may come to know of it.
Okay, yeah, since I'm little too small to understand. That's what my mother says. You're too tiny. She expects me to be this height when I'm the height of my grandmother.
Okay, fine. Is your school a lovely place to stay in for around a third of a day?
I'm not going to be talking about how my school...
It's not about your school alone. Any school for that matter. Is it a lovely place for a child to stay in for about 8 or 9 hours a day?
I mean, if they like it, sure. But if they hate it, yeah, no.
Okay, I don't understand for what reason they are going to hate it.
It depends if they hate it. If they like it, they're going to stay in that school. They're going to make friends. They're going to go to college. They're going to become an astronaut. They're going to go to Mars. They're going to go to a galaxy. They're going to get outside of the universe. They're going to go get into a parallel universe. They're going to go to an alternate universe where everyone uses gaming as a studies instead of studying.
Okay, get back. Okay.
Anyway, if the child like it, they will just, what I said before.
Okay.
But if they hate it, I think they would just want to sleep, go home. Not really sleep. If they're tired, they just like sleep. One time, I was sleeping in class, okay? But my class teacher was just like, she's sleeping. Okay, she didn't have enough
good,
sleep.
fantastic. Words are coming out of your mind and mouth like water. Fine, spontaneous outflow.
Let's have a halt here. So guys, and see you in the next session. Bye!